Support profiles for new brackets. Place the support clamps onto the newly screwed-on brackets and slide on the support profiles. As before, it is necessary to provide the ends of the support profiles with the intermediate brackets used to support them. Use the gauge to determine the position of the intermediate brackets. Once the gauge is applied, screw the brackets to the roof. At this stage, you obtain a row of brackets with a width equal to 2 photovoltaic panels. The central supports are placed asymmetrically, which will facilitate the installation of electrical conductors in later stages.